I'm happy you're here. And I'm happy you're here in this city, in this place, in this community, in this world. And say it to each other on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I'm happy you're here.
You, my friends, are the keepers of the flame, not just in ceremony or celebration, but in the quiet choices, the courageous stands, the daily stirring. The work we do in classrooms, in galleries, in neighborhoods, in boardrooms, it's not always loud, but it matters, and it lasts.
All day I've been hearing different ones of you speak to other ones of you, and you're saying, oh, I'm working on this, oh, we're doing this, and it's like you're this collaborative, compassionate, creative loveliness.
This is not a moment to shrink. This is a moment to show up, to do the work, to stir the coals, to speak, to create, to preserve and protect what is sacred.
Like you're building something beautiful together and you're all saying, I'm happy you're here. Let's do this.
We will organize and we will fundraise and continue to create. We will do what is necessary to press forward because it's in our soul to do so. We may be weary, but we have work to do. What bold ideas are smoldering beneath the surface, ready to rise?